I've also worked on many application that includes payment methods, live chat modules, and other global level products as well. Yep, that's all.
As you have mentioned that you have worked on React and you have started your journey with React. So, can you compare React with one another frameworks? Like when you choose one over the other,
Uh,
and why you choose React?
okay, so React is basically uh, used for building fast single page applications. It's a very lightweight and go to solution for um, mid size or application that includes some analytics or dashboards or something like that. So it is a very good library, JavaScript library to go to. Other framework I've worked with is Angular. That has more structure, and it has TypeScript by default. So if we compare it with Angular would be used for large scale applications for ERP solutions or something something like that. If an application has too many modules and multiple teams working on it, then we can consider Angular. So why is that? Because Angular has more structure, TypeScript by default, and other than that, it is tightly coupled. So there is less chance of complexities or bugs in it
So,
in large modules.
have you ever worked on Next.js?
Yes, yes. I've been currently working in Next.js the most because it is the most newer and cutting edge like right now in web development.
So your domain is like front end, or you have proficiency in both front end and back end?
Yes, I have proficiency in both front end and back end.
Okay, so while working in the team, how do you ensure the code quality and consistency?
Okay, so I've been leading in last interview. I've also, I think, told you that I've lead junior developers. So what happens is if they are assigned a task and uh, I have the understanding of that task too. Before the task start, we have a meeting to understand everything. So that if the junior developer is working, I know what he is working on, and then when he is completed, he creates a pull request on GitHub, and I go through their codes, and I figure out what they've done on front end and if they have worked on back end. So what I see in the code, the red flags. The red flags specifically in React.js or Next.js, if we are talking, I see if they've used proper Next.js approaches, and they've avoided what we do in React.js. I see if they've used too many use effects or re-renderings that could cause that could cause performance issues. So I go through that and see if they've done that, and I also see if they've implemented caching mechanisms like use memo or callback, so to avoid over re-renderings, and uh, they've I also see how they've structured the files. Like they are calling APIs, they've separate services created in separate folders, like code is split in components, and reusability is implemented. They've for example, they are assigned to create some delete modals and other action modals. So if they've created separate components for modals or pop-ups, I reject their code and ask them to create a single file and accept props uh, and accept props to handle the reusability, and just use single file in multiple places
Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
yeah,
listen. Okay,
something
listen.
like that.
Basically, for you, transforming the Figma files into like code environment, is this like feasible for you to convert the Figma files into like code environment?
Yes, yes, it's feasible for me. I've done it many times.
Okay, that's perfect. So I'm just handing over it to Salman sir. If you want to ask anything or to define any values, so you can continue now. Over to you, Salman sir.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, Abdul Basit, would you please go through and share your screen that projects you have done so far? Because in your resume, I have clicked few links, but it's not working. So is that possible? You can share your screen and demonstrate the project.
Okay, sure, sir. So here, my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, your
Yeah.
screen is visible.
So I've first of all, I can go through this project called WellSend. Basically, it's a cross-platform application, a web application for handling admin panel and other users' dashboards, and a mobile application for delivering medicines. The client is based in Canada, and he wanted to create an application. uh, I think my internet is a bit slow right now, or whatever the reason it's loading. Basically, this application is based on the admins create pharmacies and riders. They have access to pharmacies and riders, and pharmacies, they can create orders, and admin can assign riders to the pharmacy, and they have the access to those riders, and they can uh, uh, assign the orders to that rider. So we have this landing page over here for uh, marketing purposes, and then there is a portal login. So I have this user. This is recently just completed. This app is just completed and going live in few days. And if we have here sub admins and pharmacies. We have a GCP, Google Cloud Platform API is integrated. Like, we can enter any Canadian addresses. It will only support Canadian
Okay, Abdul
addresses.
Basit,
We
sorry to interrupt. Abdul Basit, sorry to interrupt. But
Yes, please.
have you made something that has like front end design? No doubt this is this is the good link you have opened, but we need to see like animations and transitions you have added in your website. So is there something
Yes,
you have
this
issue?
is yeah, this is a landing page is also created by me, and from the Figma it is created. So if it's mobile responsive as well. You can see here, like this.
Okay, so do
So
you
it
have
has
any other
animations like
do you have any other deployed link?
any other. I'll, yeah, I've also worked with this client, Saudi client. So
No, we need to
also
see
created
your
this.
website that which you have created.
Yes. Like, this is my own website. I created these websites.
Okay.
I've written code. Like, you want me to run some code?
Basically, we want to see the visual quality. We need to like the animations and transitions you have put on, the content, the margin, the alignment, and everything.
Yes.
Like
Okay.
we want you
So
to
this
show
is
us the
also
best website you have created.
yeah. Okay. So one of it is this already I've shown you, and this also has animations. If you can see, you can see the framer motion is used here in Next.js frontend. So also we have this website. This also has animations like this. If it's showing up in screen, and also uh, there are other sections like this. This is all customly code in this one is in React.js and this one is in Next.js. This website I've created it I think 2 to 3 years ago,
Okay.
and uh,
So
there is
Salman
another
sir,
one if
What's your opinion in this?
with
Yeah, Basit, actually, we are
I can
looking.
show another one if
Yeah, you can show it out.
okay. Uh, where's my resume? So this is one of the very rare animation websites I've worked on also. I added the link here. So this uses 3D animations and other like the circular motions and all that customly created this website. Wait, not this one. Imperial Exchange. So if this loads up, yes. You can see here, this is also made from Figma. You can see this circular stars. I've used 3JS to actually apply the 3D animations in X and Y axis and Z axis. So all handled. So uh, there is a page changing animations like this is all customly handled and made, and there is also uh, on hover effects like this smooth effects and all that. And this is also made from Figma design, exactly copied from Figma. And if we it's also mobile responsive. So this is one of my recent works also. uh, so yes, if you can see all these projects from if we are looking at something on front end
Yes,
designs or
basically,
UI design.
this is exactly what I was looking for. Basically, this role is for the senior front end, so we are just focusing on like the front end dynamics and all that. So for that, I was just asked you to
Yes.
open the link which shows the visual front end quality.
Mm.
So, okay, Abdul Basit. Before I'm wrapping the interview, so before that, I want you to, if you want to ask anything, any question related to tech stack or anything, you can. So you are open to speak now.
Mm. Yes, sure. I have some questions like uh, if I'm selected or join the company, what kind of projects will I be handling, or I have team to handle or anything?
Yes, we have a tech team, and collectively all the team work together. So we have like multiple. It vary with the client. Like what the client wants, we just mold our services according to that.
Okay.
Sometimes it's all the like real estate, or sometimes it's like it's anything. It can be anything. It vary according to the client. And like we have multiple clients according to their we are providing services to various organizations and SMEs here. So whenever they give us the like something to do, so we just mold our services according to their requirements.
Okay. That's
So
great. So
anything else?
the tech stack is in React and Next.js
Yes,
majorly, right?
exactly. Currently, we are working. We are searching for the person who can work on both React and Next.js.
Okay. So
So I'll
yes,
not.
I have extensive experience.
Yes, we will not
Okay.
finalize you. We will not finalize you that you have been selected right now, but maybe in
Okay.
like within 1 to 2 business days, we will be like give you the final call that you are selected or not. So you just have to wait for that.
Okay. Sure. So
Okay.
is in Dubai, right?
Yes, office is in Dubai, but you have to like remotely you will work with us.
Okay. I've already worked with the firm in Dubai, Vcode Solutions. That's in Sharjah, I believe. I've already been working with them on uh, as a front end heavy dev.
Okay, that's
Uh,
perfect. Means you are
so yes,
well aware with the like environment, right?
yes, we have a timer that we run every day, and stand up meetings, sprints, and code reviews, all that remotely handled. So I have quite experience of that also.
Yes, we follow the same scenarios, and we also have like multiple things to like track and to give tasks to the team. So I'm just wrapping this
Okay,
for now.
okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you so much
thank you so much for
for
your
the
time.
opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah,
Have a
Abdul,
great
yeah, just a minute. Actually, Abdul
Okay.
Asir, I have one more question I want to ask. Like, when you are able to join, if we selected you.
Sir, basically, we have. Uh, I've been actively looking for opportunities, so uh, I can switch earlier, like in 2 weeks, if wanted. Like I've talked in the company already about switching and about looking for new opportunities. So after Eid, I can join.
Okay. My second question is that if we consider you as a part-time consultant or as a part-time job, so you will do. You are flexible for that, like 3 to 4 hours daily.
Yes. It's not a problem. I can manage.
And my third question is that what if I say go with the project wise? Like once the project has been done, then we will pay you. Like if we give you the scope of work and everything, etc., and give you the project. So once you, it's something like the freelancing. So if you do the project, then we will pay
Okay.
you. What about that one?
Yes, we can discuss on the basis of project, like what could be the timeline and budget and all that. Yes, I
Yeah.
can. We can
Mhm.
do that also.
Yeah. And the third thing is that the exchange, crypto exchange, you have worked on that, like Imperial Exchange, right? You have shown us.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, it has a lot of. If you can open in your browser, so it has a lot of bugs in the mobile version. I don't know if it's in the desktop version. It,
If
it's the
I'm
WhatsApp link,
opening
right?
it again, it's basically we need to refresh. As you can see, there is animation happening, and on runtime we cannot uh, handle. We cannot change it immediately to mobile devices. So what I've done here is, if we refresh, and it will again calculate the uh, screen sizes and all that.
Mm-hmm.
And also it's this is a not deployed on domain. This is deployed on my personal
Got that.
Versal. So that's why some icons not rendering, and free Versal version, just to showcase client what's happening. He didn't have any domain or hosting to where I could deploy this. So Versal is free, and basically it has less resources. That's why it, if you can see, like it's turned from for mobile. And if we refresh it on the browser, it will like go back to the browser version like this. So
Yeah, but I click on the
client had
action or team, but it's not working on the mobile. You can click on the team version. Team. Yeah. Yeah, that's not working on the mobile, I
okay.
think. I guess. On my side.
If we refresh, okay, let me check this. uh you can see now it's turned to
Mhm.
mobile version, like for after refreshing. So this is basically the solution we had here. The problem we were facing is we had animations and 3D models rendering. So on runtime we can change css and divs and html elements, but we cannot change anything related to 3D models or that. So I tweaked the models on mobile app, like checked screen, and used didn't use the css responsive or anything like that. I checked it with javascript code, the screen size and all that, and according to that rendered this screen.
Okay, let's discuss the financial sections with you. Like, if you are on board with a full time job, so what are you what are your expectation?
Currently, my salary is 150 PKR. I get it in Payoneer in USD, so it's tax-free salary, and I'm expecting around 180.
And what about the
180.
part time job of 3 to 4 hours?
Uh, we can do it in half, like 100K, around 100K. If,
Okay, and if you can open the DG Expo website,
okay,
dgexpo.in.
sure. Dot
Hey,
A. Okay, this one. Um,
loading time is too high. Right. Okay.
Oh yeah, right now I don't know why it's working slow. I guess there are some people came for Eid in our house right now, so they're all using my Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Also, I should just close these. Let me see why is it. I should just I know I think block.
Yeah, it's working fine from my end.
You can see the download speed. Let me just see. Let me try again. It was Expo DG
DG Expo.
DG Expo. A. Everything is loading here, but
I
uh,
just opened in my browser, like it's working fine. I do not think so.
yes, I guess I have this internet issue. But let me try connecting to another one. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, your
Yes,
screen is
your screen
visible.
is visible.
Okay. I connected to another network. Okay. Now it's loaded.
So if I say
Can you
I need that website, so what it will cost me? Like
like
blogs,
this?
our services, almost 15 pages
Okay.
over there. I will provide the design like Figma files.
Okay. It has screens and
It's a template, but
you
you have to do the custom website. Okay, I just need the overview of the financials. If I give you the website, then what it will cost. We use Sanity for the blogs.
like I just look at every aspect first. It takes a little time for looking into everything. Like you can post blogs also from this.
Yeah, we post blog from the CMS Sanity, headless CMS for the next years.
Okay. Okay. So if we go, you are asking if we go project based, right?
Yeah, third one.
So for these landing pages here or these blog website, like if we talk about the landing page, we can do it around like if we go with the project base, uh, maybe like all the responsiveness and complete 15 screens is around 1000 plus USD, and uh, with blogs it can go up to 1500, like 1000 and 1500 between that.
Okay, okay, Abdul Basit. So the thing is that we have noted all the things, and then obviously Tala will revert back to you, and if we like, we will negotiate and then execute it. Okay.
Sure, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.
You too. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
No, of course.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.